A single board computer combines processor, memory, power management ICs, and multiple I/O interfaces on a single platform. With industries working on multiple connected devices and IoT networks, a powerful processing platform becomes critical in building the required system or a product. Having a single board computer to fill in this requirement accelerates time to market with proven hardware that you don't have to manufacture. Being our key design accelerator, Skate has been leveraging our clients to build smart embedded solutions and products ranging from access control HMIs to industrial automation systems. Skate SD212 is designed around Qualcomm's Snapdragon 212 processor and includes support for major user interfaces such as MIPI cameras, MIPI display, audio I/O, and many of the typical motion sensors. The connectivity interfaces include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and BLE, GPS, HDMI, Ethernet and USB. The memory is a single-chip eMCP with 1 GB LPDDR3 and 8 GB eMMC. Here is a skateboard interfaced with 7-inch MIPI display with capacitive touch and 8 MP MIPI camera. As said earlier, Skate can be used as the core design to your customized end product. Let me introduce you to the products we have designed around Skate for some of our customers. With the same Skate at its core, the additional features of this industrial tablet includes battery management system, 10.1-inch display, NFC interface and multi-band 4G LTE module with industry standard 24-volt DC input power supply. We can customize not only hardware and firmware but also the mechanical design as per customer requirements, making it suitable for both industrial and commercial applications. Another asset-led design and development service is a completely customized tablet for our Japan customer, IC card reader. With industrial tablet as core design, we have provided NFC tag reading feature for a range of NFC card standards such as MIFARE and Felica, including Suica, which is specific to Japan. This IC card reader tablet has been approved JTIKI certification under the Japan Telecommunications Business Law and is currently in mass production for the Japan market. As the world gets more and more connected, industries and end users expect faster service and solutions that drive better and smarter. Our design and development capabilities and experience with these customized ecosystems create a perfect environment for Android or Linux-based applications in IoT, industrial automation, commercial and medical applications. For more information about our design and development services, visit our website or drop us an email.